there is nothing like it anywhere in the world of motorsports, the world of sports, world of entertainment, you name it. You want to bring the family out for an amazing night of the greatest thrills. You want to get to Advanced Auto Parts Monster Jam action. And remember, you can always find out where the next great event is coming, where they're coming close to you when you go to monsterjam.com. Just click on the upcoming events, look for the cities near you where you want to go bring the family and see the event. Find out about display opportunities when the trucks come to town. Make sure you get your tickets to be there early for the party in the pits where you get up close with the superstars of Advanced Auto Parts Monster Jam. And then make sure you've got the best seats in the house for the one-of-a-kind action that is Advanced Auto Parts Monster Jam. For Mark Schrader, I'm Scott Douglas. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you the next time we're ready to freestyle.